Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stylish text overlay in InShot. So if you want to add a stylish text in InShot, here is a quick tip on how to get that done. So the first thing you have to do is tap on the T icon, which is text. Tap on it, then you tap on the second option, which is text. Once you tap on it, then input your text. So I'm just going to put in hello world. Then right here I can configure the text option by just change the font size. I think I like this font. Okay, I think I like this font. After that, then you can change the text color. You can change the text color to multicolor. Then you can simply adjust the size on the screen using this button. You can see hello world. Once you do that, you can place it at any edge of your video, anywhere you want. Depends on how creative you are. Then once you're done with that, then tap on this mark here, tap on it. Then you can see we've had it as an overlay. You can see it has been added as an overlay, and that's how to add text as overlay in InShot. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.